Hello, my name is Ibrahim Abdulwahidov, and I'm 20 years old. I'm originally from Uzbekistan, and I'm going to enter my first year at New Uzbekistan University School of Computing, studying software engineering. I grew up in Tashkent, the modern and the capital city of Uzbekistan. How can we utilize artificial general intelligence to benefit all humanity? Inspired by this question, my current research focuses on facilitating personalized, patient-centric healthcare. Specifically, I apply machine learning algorithms to move beyond one-size-fits-all treatments and tailor medical interventions to each patient's unique needs. This personalized approach aims to predict how each person will respond to different therapies, leading to more effective treatments and improved healthcare outcomes. It is with this broad vision in my mind I am applying to our Business Today 2024 International Conference. Thank you very much for your time.